Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, imperfectubers. I'm here today with my brother. I know this video, you know, it's gonna be how well do you know me tag. And the loser of this game between us will get a pie in their face at the end. So, wait. What is my middle name?
Oh, I was texting Mom. I can't believe she did text back.
Middle name?
Bingo Hopper.
Yes, it's Bingo Hopper. My middle name, not Bingo Hopper.
It's a name. You have to say the whole thing now.
It's Jordan Anthony Jeremiah All Red Ortiz Jr.
Damn,
what?
Why'd you say that? The witness protection program. Okay.
What is my favorite drink?
Okay, mine is hard. Mine is hard.
Your favorite drink? We have a lot, but I guess Mountain Dew or lemonade.
Correct.
So we both got a point there.
You're gonna get all of them wrong.
What is my favorite song at the moment?
Oh, I know this one. I know this one. Honey, I'm Good by Andy Girl.
Yeah.
Yay.
Okay, next one point. Your favorite song at the moment is freaking Fall Out Boys Light 'Em Up by the Germans and Imperfect You like how they say light 'em up, light 'em up.
Because
I'm a fire.
Hey, you just offended the German viewers.
I'm sorry.
Gosh.
Just take a moment. Take a moment. What's my favorite food?
I got this one. You're gonna go on a wild guess. The dollar burger with the hot and spicy.
No! Are you serious? You don't know my favorite food? You give up? It's sushi!
Oh! What's my favorite food? Can't even guess it.
Your favorite food? It's, you like Taco Bell? Or you like Subway?
And I like Chocolamas.
And you like
Olive Garden.
You just love all food, but you like tacos a lot. Bananas! What's my favorite book of all time?
Allison's Omelette.
Favorite book? Diary of Wimpy Kids? Or Captain Underpants?
I'll give you that one.
I got it. What's my favorite color?
Ah, no! I know what the two colors look like. I just don't know the name. I don't know the name.
Ew.
Turquoise and maroon.
You said it. That doesn't count. You get a half a point. How about that?
Shut up! Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, your favorite colors. He likes black, red, white, and maroon too.
Sexy.
I got all of those, son. What's my favorite perfume?
It's like in a red looking ball looking thing, and it goes tss, tss. On top of it, it got that thing that goes tss, tss.
What's the name?
I don't know.
I'll give you half a point for that.
Okay,
for the
what about
description.
Me? What about
You don't even wear perfume.
I wear yours.
Oh god. I know your deodorant.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I told you.
And I bought it for you.
Dang it, I told you.
It's
You
Old Spice, Wildlife.
No, King of the Jungle. Oh.
Oh. Either way, it's Old Spice.
Yeah, but you get half a point.
Do I speak any other languages?
Yes.
What do I
Well,
speak?
do you have to speak it like fluently or like kinda?
Kinda.
You speak Spanish
Spanish.
and a little bit of Japanese.
Japanese.
And does English count?
Sure.
English.
I thought it was gonna be English.
English is saying. Yeah.
What else?
Wait, there's more?
It's one word. I don't know how to speak it, but I know how to read it.
Oh, you did that like Greeky thing.
What's it called?
Oh, Latin.
There you go, Latin.
Ooh, wait, what about me?
You know English and very little Spanglish.
I speak German, French, German.
You do not speak those languages. Get out of here.
I'm gonna speak language.
Okay. What's my favorite movie?
Oh, it's that one with the pig girl.
What's the name?
Penelope. Oh,
Bonschwitz.
no, it's Penelope.
Yeah.
With the pig nose.
Yes, it's Penelope.
Penelope pig nose girl.
Penelope's my favorite movie of all time.
No, it's my favorite.
Your favorite movie? Dylan Dogger or something like that, no? He's
What?
He's like a hunter or something.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that movie.
Yeah, because one time I told you could watch it if I could put makeup on you, and you said yeah. And I told you if you had a tea party with me too.
Oh, I
You remember that?
No.
Your favorite movie. Then I don't know what your favorite movie is.
Want to tell you?
Yeah.
It's Ted.
Whatever, it is not Ted. You're such a liar to me. Who is
more
more awesome? Me! Bye everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll show you the video of the winner in just a minute, which I'm the winner. I got more points.
Can you do it slow?
Ah, do it slow. Okay, ready? 1, 2. You gotta put your hands down! Put your hands down!
Can I do it?
Put your hands down!
Can I do it myself? They bought him!
Hold on.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me whip. Now watch me whip.